Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. What is known about the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup? Apple is preparing for big changes in its future iPhone lineup. Finally, the first photos of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in black shade, with the new camera design have appeared. It will change for the first time in its 6-year history. The network has revealed a new iPhone 17 Pro Max fresh live first look, hands-on look, and many other new exciting details. On the other hand, insiders claim that iPhone 17 Pro may have changed Apple's logo position on the back panel. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The future iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting upgrades we've seen in years. If early leaks and reports are to be believed, Apple is moving beyond the usual year-on-year tweaks. We're talking about a whole new model, bolder design changes, camera upgrades, and better hardware across the board. Again, tech insider Majin Buu showed a photo of a mock-up of the iPhone 17 Pro in black. Even on a dark case, the new cutout for the camera will be noticeable due to the glossy glass, while the rest of the case is made of matte glass. Apple will change the shape of the notch for the first time in 6 years, making it horizontal. The placement of the cameras will remain the same, but the flash and LiDAR will move to the right side, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max will receive a similar design. On the other hand, insiders claim that iPhone 17 Pro may have changed Apple's logo position on the back panel. A new insider about the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max design has appeared online. Again, it was shared by the famous insider Majin Buu. According to an insider, Apple will move its logo on the back panel of the iPhone 17 Pro a little lower, due to the new camera unit. In 2019, with the release of the iPhone 11 series, Apple got rid of the iPhone inscription on the back of the iPhone, and moved Apple to the center of the back panel. In the iPhone 17 Pro, the home button should be even lower. It can be placed exactly in the center of the back panel, without taking into account the new camera unit. According to Majin Buu, with such a back cover, the iPhone 17 Pro should be more recognizable. He also notes that case manufacturers are already testing this placement of the Apple logo. The company we work with, which specializes in making cases for the iPhone 17 Pro line, has confirmed that they are already working on starting production of cases with an updated design. The presentation of the entire iPhone 17 series, including the Air and Pro models, is expected in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.